Okay guys, it is all done. I ran out to get more of this tulle or mesh or whatever it is. I put the ribbon on you can't really see it. I gotta move some stuff around, but I fluffed it out and I decided to add some flowers on the top. I just pushed them in, but I'm sure I'm gonna figure out a way to keep them in more, and I'm gonna put this on my front door. So, but this is, I had to put it on my little hutch here to see if it's symmetrical, but I think it's okay for now. And this will adorn our front door for the harvest time here in New York, where it is like 80 degrees. Okay, so this is that. And that's about it. When I ran to the dollar store to get more stuff, I found my little buddy partying in the pizza place next door. Yeah, I'm sure we'll hear all about it later. All right, bye guys. So I tried to put it on the front door, guys, but, oh, okay, yeah, you can see it here. This is my door to my basement, and yeah, it didn't quite fit my front door, so here it is, so that when people come in, they can see it. Okay, now I'm going to bed. Good night.